Hello everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. In this episode, I continue my journey near the historic Walls of Byzantium in Istanbul. In the first episode of this series, I explored the Merkez Efendi Mosque Complex, visited a local bakery, and baked poppy seed çörek to bring along while waiting near my daughter's university. This time, I uncover one of Istanbul's hidden culinary treasures, an edible green commonly found in the city, and learn recipes from local women and an Albanian tourist ladies collecting it. We talk about Turkish cuisine and the similarities between our cultures. Along the way, I come across a peaceful prayer performance at a mosque complex. After enjoying a delicious Turkish meal in the parking lot, I head home to try cooking with the greens myself. Join me on this journey of food, culture, and discovery, and don't forget to check out the first episode for the full story. We are at my daughter's university. It's afternoon time. Now she has an exam, and today I brought the same again, poppy seed çöreks with potato filling. These are the ones I baked in the previous episode to take with us throughout the week. They came out beautifully in the middle of the night. It's not a time that I usually bake. I used the same paper bag, by the way, because it was still usable. My husband reminded me, don't throw it away. Perfect. And looks cool. And the carrot cakes I made yesterday. Now I'm gonna brew my tea, then do my noon prayer, and then have tea, our lunch.
Filistin'de doğduğu bir sadaka sever, İslamiyet'i bize lütfettiği gibi onu...
Ben seninle dalayım da sen beni dalayım mısın?
Operasyon gelmedi ama geldi.
Limon benim limon.
Sıcaktı. While we were eating our tea and carrot cake, we saw women collecting herbs in the meadow across the road. I immediately went to them and started talking. Ha, tahmin ettim. Şivenizden. Bakayım. She says you can make sarmas with this hardal in Turkish. Böyle etli dolma değil mi? Salçalı. This is the flower of hardal. Toluk mu? Yap çek şeyi. Ha, böyle tek tek yaprak aldın değil mi? Evet, güzel. These are called tolik, she says, and I saw it on internet too. Let me show you. I never thought I would film such a thing here. I saw more ladies here. Look at them. Selamünaleyküm. Ne topluyorsunuz?
Kumaş bu.
Ha?
Kumaş.
Ha, ebegümeci. Ben ebegümeci olarak biliyorum.
Şey diyor, bunu bir doğrayan küçük küçük yıkayıp
Evet.
ondan sonra
Üstündekine kumaş dolduruyor. Ağzını, tuzunu, falan her şeyini koyun ağzını örtüyor.
başka devşik olan şunlar var. Zaten ben bunlar aynı ya. Bu küçüğü bu yiyor yani.
Tamam.
Yanlış topların diye öyle bir şey yok yani.
During my researches, I also learned that Ebegümeci or mallow is a nutrient-rich edible green known for its medicinal properties. It's packed with vitamins A and C, and its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties have made it a traditional remedy for sore throats, coughs, and digestive issues. Ay bana mı verdiniz? Teşekkür ederim. Okay, you say. You talk. It is not.
sì.
Okay, okay. You're Albanian.
Ah sì,
Okay.
Albania, sì,
And
sì.
Italian?
Pure Italia io.
Ok.
Abito in Italia, 20 anni, 20.
Okay.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Siz
Ciao.
de. Ciao.
Questa Gerani.
İngilizce mi konuşuyorsunuz?
Yok,
No, no.
bilmiyor. Anlamıyorum da ama yarım yamalak.
Io Müslümana.
Evet, Müslüman.
Müslüman,
Maşallah,
sì.
maşallah. So you have baklava, sarma.
Sì, sì, sì, sì. Io
köfte,
Müslümana, köfte, sì,
köfte,
tutti.
pilav.
Pilav,
Okay,
tutti.
harika.
Sì, halva, tutti.
Çok güzel. Börek.
Sì, questa
Börek, okay.
börek.
Börek.
Sì, börek con spinace. Mi fa tutti io, sì.
Aa, ıspanaklı börek.
Sì,
Tamam.
sì, sì.
Spinach börek.
Sì.
Okay.
Noi è venuta qua 3 giorni. Oggi, domani, dopodomani vado. 3 giorni.
Ayşenur.
Sì, io Linda.
Linda.
Sì,
Okay,
grazie
okay.
mille, ciao.
Gracias, ciao. Okay. What a wonderful day. I met with lovely ladies from different parts of Anatolia and from Albania. We halfway were able to talk with Linda. She's so lovely. She said the similarities we have about our Turkish cuisine and Albanian cuisine. We have a lot similarities. It was nice to talk together. Now I'm thinking what to do with them. Probably I will just going to saute with some onions and add some yogurt on top. I hope my family will also have them. Let's go back to city side. People are leaving, we are still here. A few days ago, we had to travel 25 kilometers in 2.5 hours in the evening traffic, so this time we decided to wait for the traffic to pass and then return home. Instead of eating home-cooked meal from thermos, with my daughter's request this time, we ordered food from online. I ordered chicken döner. We are waiting. Evet. Teşekkür ederim. 2 paket mi? Sağ ol. It was very dark outside, my friends. So unfortunately the quality of the video is not good here. But we had plenty full of chicken döner. It was too big. I wasn't expecting. We were so full that we ate the dessert with tea when we got home. The other days were so busy with taking my daughter to and from school that I was only able to cook the common mallow a few days later. First, I had to pick out the bad ones and then washed thoroughly and sliced the stems more thinly and then a bit more coarse on the leaf sides. Then I boiled the ebegümeci, the mallow, for a couple of minutes until the stems are a bit softer, as the lady suggested. Then I transferred the leaves to a colander and let them drain, and meanwhile I sauteed onion. in some vegetable oil. After about 4 or 5 minutes of sauteing without browning too much, I added back the leaves and continued to saute, seasoned then with some salt and black pepper. For an extra taste, I added some butter, and after a couple of more minutes sprinkled a bulgur, or you can add some rice, chili flakes, black pepper, and drizzled some water to be able to cook the bulgur. Close the lid and cook and simmer on low until everything is soft. I also baked bread the same day, and fresh slices of bread go well with any meal. I was surprised to learn that okra is from the mallow family too while studying for my food geography course. When you eat it, you notice that mallow has a mucousy kind of structure like okra. I remembered the first time I see the flower of the okra back in my Amasya visit 2 years ago in the market. Amasya has very fertile lands, and one of the most grown products is okra. They either cook it fresh in the summer and also cook and eat it all winter by stringing it up and drying it. The first time I met with common mallow ebegümeci was in my hometown Kastamonu a few years ago when I was learning another traditional local recipe called ekşili pilav, creamy sour pilav with edible greens. It is another healthy and delicious regional dish you can make with local ingredients. I will add the link and would recommend watching and making it if you are interested in different healthy recipes. The sautéed mallow was a healthy, light dish as an alternative to a spinach sauté, very similar. Next time I might try making dolma with them. Exploring and learning about the edible greens nature offers us is not just a way to enrich our meals, but also a step towards embracing traditions passed down through generations. Incorporating these wild greens into our kitchens connects us to the earth and its bounty, offering both nourishment and health benefits. I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you use edible wild greens in your cooking or as a natural remedies? Share your experiences in the comments. I would be thrilled to learn from you too. See you next time. Bye.